Hi, welcome back. Today, we'll be talking about the classifications of organic compounds. Looking at this chart, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Hydrocarbons can be split into three major groups. Adicyclic, which means that it forms a closed chain. Aromatic, which means that the organic compound contains a benzene ring. And lastly, aliphatic, where the organic compound is open chain. Under aliphatic, there are two other subcategories: straight chain and branch chain. Now for some definitions, we call an organic compound saturated when it contains only CC single bond. On the other hand, we call an organic compound unsaturated when the CC bond is multiply bonded. Next, let's define what is a functional group. A functional group is an atom or a group of atoms that is responsible for an organic compound's characteristic chemical properties. As for homologous series, it is a family of compounds with the same functional groups. Members in the same homologous series are called homologues. Next, let us talk about the properties of homologues in the same series. They usually have the same general formula, for example, CnH2n plus 2 for alkane. One homologue usually differs with the next homologue in a series by units of CH2. There's a change in physical properties down the series, for example, boiling points. Lastly, their chemical properties remain similar down the series. Next, I'll flash some examples of different homologous series and their respective properties. Familiarize yourself with them. Pause the video if necessary. For example, for hydrocarbon compound, an alkyne functional group is present when there is a CC triple bond. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2, and an example is ethyne. For more information, please read up on the notes provided. Now, let's look at work example 3. Can you identify the functional groups present in this molecule? Recall from your notes, A is a carboxylic functional group, whereas B is an alcohol functional group, and to be specific, a phenol functional group.